Hi everyone, welcome back to Chef Dwight. Today I'll be giving you a brown stewed chicken recipe that I hope all my friends, all my subscribers will enjoy. Now guys, I pre-prepared the chicken from last night. As you guys already know, my avid viewers that have been here with me for a long time know that I love to prepare my meat before. Now if guys out there want to know how to do the seasoning, they can contact me and ask me to do a tutorial on it. So guys, here's the chicken already seasoned, well marinated. The smell is just awesome. So guys, let's get this show started. So guys, here you see I have my great Dutchie. Don't mind the colors of it, that's how your Dutch pot normally look. So now I'm just gonna add the oil and just turn the stove on to heat that up. So guys, I want you to follow the procedure step by step how I do this recipe, and you can do it as well. So guys, I think the oil is now hot, so I'm going to drop some crushed garlic. You see the sizzle, so you know that it's hot. You don't want the stove to be high, so make sure it's on a medium to, gauge it. It's on, this stove is on 6 now. So guys, as I said, the procedure you want to follow is before putting the meat in, you want to get rid of all the herbs because you don't want them to burn. So as soon as you get rid of it, you add the chicken to the stove. The herbs come in after the chicken has been browned, hence the recipe is called brown stew. So you want to just brown the chicken, get it to the texture and the color that you want. And it's brown stew, so the chicken is not cut up in a small way like when you're stewing chicken. That's two different things. You have brown stew and you have stewed chicken. There's a difference. So guys, I just make sure all the herbs, because once the herbs get in the oil, it's going to be burning. So you just want to get rid of all the herbs. Sometimes you won't get rid of all of it, but try your best to do so. Guys, please remember to like the video, share the video, subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And I want to thank all my loyal supporters for the past 2 years and counting, over 2 years, that has been there for me, encouraging me. Of course, you always have persons out there that just watch to be negative. I don't pay that any mind. So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, so this is the last piece. Just gonna tuck it in there. Alright guys, look at that. So I'm just gonna let this sit now, and as soon as it is brown on the side that it's down on now, I flip it over and brown that side. So guys, when next you join me, I'll be turning them. Alright guys, I'm back. Now I think that it's about that time to turn them. So I want to be careful, because remember, oil may be splashing. You see that color? Look at that. Nice. Beautiful. Look at that. Now the next side now is gonna brown. There's always a stubborn piece of chicken. The leg is that today. Nice brown color. Oh, I'm missing one. Alright guys, look at that. That's the color you want it to be, guys. Nice and brown. Alright guys, so I just checked and the other sides are brown. So now what we're gonna do is add the herbs. You just wanna add everything, and I have some boiling water that I'm going to be adding. Now look at those colors. Add the colors. A little piece of pepper. I hope it's not that hot. Look at that, guys. Now I'm going to cover this and just let it simmer. So when next you see me, guys, I'll be adding some water to the pot. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now as I said, wow, the pepper smells strong, you know. No seed, nothing in it. As I said, guys, I'm going to be adding some water to the broth, same temperature. So you notice the pot is not, you know, you see it's still bubbling because I add boiling water. So it's the same temperature. So it doesn't kill the mood of the pot. And that's the best way to do it. You can't add cold water to a boiling hot pot of water. You have to give it the same temperature. So guys, in 20 minutes time I'm going to check back on it. So see you guys soon. Alright guys, I'm back. Look at that. Nice. Nice. Look at that color. Guys, look at that color. Tell me how it looks. And it's not even finished. So guys, you know, sometimes persons want their gravy to be thick. So now I'm going to add a little cornstarch to this and leave it to simmer. You can use flour, any one of your preference. Now guys, for cooking, you know, people out there have their debates on when they see people do recipes. Everybody does recipes different. Everybody does. Yes, you may not cook like your grandmother or your mother, but you still cook and you add whatever flavor. Some people like spice, they add spice to it. Some people like no salt, they don't add salt. Some people like ketchup, they'll put ketchup. Who doesn't like ketchup? They don't. People have their preference in cooking and how they live their life. Kudos to them. Now guys, I'm going to be adding the cornstarch. As I said, this is for the thickening of the gravy. can add flour, as I said before. Because of course you see that this is in the simmering stage. So when next you see me, you'll be looking at the finishing of this brown stewed chicken. I have my peas on the stove because, as I said, it's Sunday dinner. So my peas is on the stove being prepared. So guys, I'm just gonna cover that up. Soon come back. Guys, remember I tell you I'm cooking some rice and peas. There it goes. I'm about to stir it up now. So guys, what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Now guys, look at that. And you can hear the thickening sound of the gravy. Let me give you a closer look. Look at that, guys. Brown stewed chicken. Now at this time, you can add a little ketchup, but it's not a must. Persons do it, persons don't. So guys, what I want you to do now is join me at the table. I'm gonna give it a few more minutes to just simmer down a little. I just tasted and it's perfect. So guys, join me at the table. Look at that, guys. Brown stewed chicken, some fried plantains and some coleslaw on the side.